प्रगट भये गुरु तेग बहादुर सगल सृष्टि पे टापी चादर. Good morning everyone, respected teachers, dear friends and beloved Sangat ji. Today I am deeply honored to speak about a unique and divine personality of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib ji, the ninth Guru of the Sikhs, a saint, a philosopher, a scholar and above all, a fearless protector of faith and humanity. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was born in 1621 in Amritsar. From his early years, he showed signs of deep spirituality and courage. While the children of his age enjoyed play, young Tegh Bahadur loved meditation and contemplation. His calm nature, thoughtful mind, and fearless heart made him stand out even as a child. Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji himself named him Tegh Bahadur, meaning brave of the sword, after witnessing his bravery at a very young age. But what made him truly unique was that he combined moral depth with moral courage. He was both a saint and a soldier, gentle in speech but unshakable in principles. When Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji became 9th Guru in 1665, he faced a time of great unrest. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was forcing people, especially Hindus, to convert to Islam. Fear and oppression had spread across the land. It was during dark time when Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's unique ideology and personality shone like a beacon of light. He taught people not given to fear or injustice, but to live with truth, dignity and faith. Guruji travelled across India from Punjab to Bengal and Assam to spread the message of peace, equality and devotion to one God. He emphasized that true religion lies not in rituals or outer appearances, but in purity of heart, truthful living and selfless sacrifice. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's teachings, many of which are recorded in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, express his spiritual wisdom and universal vision. His hymns speak of the impermanence of life, detachment from worldly greed, and the importance of meditation on divine name. He also wrote, "He who conquers his mind conquers the world." His ideology was based on three great values: truth, freedom, and sacrifice. First, truth. Guruji believed that one must live truthfully and stand by rightness even when the whole world stands against you. Second, freedom. He upheld the right of every individual to choose and practice their religion freely. His famous martyrdom in Delhi in 1675 was not for the Sikhs but for protecting all religious freedom of all people, including the Kashmiri Pandits. For this reason, he is remembered as Hiditi Chadar, the shield of India. Thikar por dili sir, prabhupur kiya pran. Tegh Bahadur si kriya kari na kinhu aan. Tegh Bahadur si kriya kari na kinhu aan. Third, sacrifice. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's sacrifice was an ultimate act of love and courage. Tarm het saakaaj ne kiya, sees diya par sirar na diya. He gave his head but not his faith. His martyrdom proved that one must fight truthfully for the justice even at the cost of one's life. So dear friends, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's life was not just a chapter in history, it was a message for mankind. His courage teaches us to fight for justice, his humility teaches us to serve others, and his spirituality teaches us to stay connected with God. Tegh Bahadur ke chlet payo jagat ko sokh, है सब जग पयो जय 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 सुरलोक, है सब जग पयो जय 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 सुरलोक. That's all from my side. Thank you. वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे बच्चों को.